Hello students, welcome back to the second video of our Changing Earth Geography chapter number 3. We are going to do the second video. In the first video we studied about exogenic and endogenic movements which are taking place on the earth. So now let's begin with the detailed one, earthquake. So this is the formation which you can see, okay, where the cracks have opened up, okay, the whole lot of cracks which you can see. This happens on the surface of the earth. It doesn't happen inside but on the top of the earth, where you can see things are falling off. You can see people who are falling off. Then you are having the vehicles which are there on the road running, okay. So here the problem creates a lot, okay. Just have a look. Now we'll go in detail about earthquake. Earthquakes. When the lithospheric plates move, surface of the earth tries to vibrate. When the earthquake happens, what it will try to do? It will try to vibrate. The vibrations can travel all around the earth, and these vibrations are called earthquakes. Earthquakes, when generally happens, okay, animals start showing indications that earthquake is taking place on the earth. So that becomes an indication for the people as well. An earthquake is also known as a tremor or trembler, is the resource, okay, a type of result of release of energy which is happening in the earth's crust. That creates what? It creates a type of seismic waves, vibrations which are taking place, the plates which are moving inside, that creates a seismic wave. Earthquakes are recorded with a seismometer, okay, also known as seismograph. In the seismometer we record the earthquake, okay, the reading which is done, and it is termed as the seismograph. So earthquake, how does it take place? It takes place due to the lithospheric plates which are moving on the surface of the earth, and it travels, it shows vibration in the surrounding areas. That is termed as earthquake, and it is termed as earthquake is known as tremor or trembler, that you have to remember. And earthquakes are recorded with a seismometer. What it is recorded? Seismometer, and also known as seismograph. How are earthquakes formed? Okay, how are earthquakes being formed? The place in the crust where the movement starts is known as focus. Where the main point, okay, of the earthquake takes place, that is termed as focus. The place on the surface above the focus, above focus, that area is termed as epicenter. Okay, you have to remember what is focus. You have to even remember what is epicenter. Focus, just again, once again, just listen. The place in the crust where the movement starts is termed as focus, and the place on the surface above the focus is termed as epicenter. Vibrations travel outwards from the epicenter as waves. Greatest damage is usually closest to the epicenter, and the strength of the earthquake decreases away from the center. It tries to, you can see most of the damage which is taking place, okay, that takes place near the epicenter. It doesn't take place far off. Okay, where the focus and the epicenter is there, more damage you can see. Then vibrations and the waves which you can see, it lower downs the damage. So these are the terms which you need to remember, children. Have a look to the diagram. So this is the earth's surface. As you can see, there are different plates which are there, which you can see. This is the vibration, okay, the circle which has been formed, you can see. Focus, this is where the earthquake occurs, and it is origin of the seismic energy. So here focus area which is given over here, that is the main seismic energy which has been produced. As it moves up, okay, the damage is going to take place. So the above area over the focus, that is termed as epicenter. Okay, focus is the main place where the seismic energy is taking place, and as you go up, that is epicenter. Epicenter is an area where more vibrations and damage is likely possible. And as you can see here, the plate boundaries which are drawn, okay, that is to make you aware about the damages which are taking place on the plates as it is moving little millimeter far off. Okay. Seismic waves radiate out in all directions. The waves which are there, seismic waves which are produced, that is producing all over the area. It doesn't stay as arrows are shown. Okay, the vibration which is felt, it is felt all through, but the damage which is seen on the epicenter. So this is how the whole earthquake process take place on the earth. So children, you have understood with this topic. We will be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.